schoolmates. Very good morning to all of you and a happy Independence Day. As you all know that we have gathered here to celebrate the sacrifice and hard work of our freedom fighters. As we have already raised the flag and sing our national anthem, now me sits from class 8 on the behalf of my class teacher, coordinator ma'am and principals are going to tell you about the major developments and achievements of India after independence. After independence, Indian citizens had immediately gained the right to vote and have its own constitution, which is also one of the greatest achievements of India. There are some major factors on which today we talk about. First, we will talk about the industrialization. India has so much success in industrialization, it makes country economically stable. However, India is the largest producer of mica and have great exports of refined petroleum, diamonds, medicaments and jewelry. Now we will talk about the economic growth steps that make India economically stable. The large population provides help in good economic growth. India is the fifth largest economy with 3.5 trillion US dollars, that is 272.04 lakh crores, and it is believed that India will be increased to 8 trillion by 2030, gaining third position, overtaking Japan and Germany. Now we will talk about the agriculture of our incredible India. India ranks 2 in agricultural outputs after China. India has a total cost of $906 billion outputs. Now India is the largest producer of milk, pulses and jute. Now we will talk about the upcoming superpower means India's defense development. India has so much success in defense development. Now India is the fourth superpower after China, Russia and America. And it is believed that India will be the superpower by 2050 and has a great strength in armed forces, navy and air forces. Now we will talk about the astronomical success of India by ISRO. Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO) has the specification of making rockets into low budget. So ISRO make a world record of launching 104 satellites by a single rocket on 15 February 2017, and after that in 2013, before that, India became the first country to land successfully on Mars in its first attempt. Just like India's Chandrayaan 3 with a budget of 386 crore that was launched in 2008 that was successful, and Chandrayaan 2 with a budget of 603 crores that was unsuccessful, but it is the word that by losing we get a lesson. So India again launched Chandrayaan 3, a new mission that is not landed on moon yet but was successfully launched on 14th July 2023. That's all. Thank you and a happy Independence Day again. Happy Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.